good YouTube channel. So this is my mom, and I'm gonna do my mom's makeup. So just pay attention. Ow! So first of all, we're going to take some of, this is pelembab Nivea. Belum dibuka lagi.
Jangan terlalu banyak ya, sedikit aja.
Dikit, aku tahu.
Yang penting ada gitu.
Soalnya kan baru, takutnya nggak cocok mama. Perih soalnya.
Makanya.
Astaga, ini harus dibasahin dulu kan. Tabe. Now I'm gonna put some of these things to my mom's face.
Sedikit aja, sedikit.
I know. Cuma dibuka aja. So it's getting more easier. Ting ting. Apa rasanya? Ada rasa-rasanya kah? Kalau ada bilang ya. Perih nggak? Panas?
Nggak.
Enak kan jadinya? Yep, that's right guys. So we have to use this as the first step. We'll jump into concealer.
Kok masa concealer langsung?
Yeah, of course. Apa lagi? Gak ada apa. My mom is a newbie of makeup, so I'm just gonna teach her how to do it. Ooh, guess it. So I'm gonna put this in here. We're gonna blend it with the new beauty blender. Just got it. Aye. Looks so gorgeous, man. Agak perih kan? Memang gitu. Nice. Bisa dilihat bedanya?
Gimana caranya kasih hilang hitam gitu ya?
Nggak tahu. I don't know. Okay, just gonna put it in here. My mom, because she has something like black spot in her cheek, so it's like I have to conceal it down. Next step is we have to put this on. I'm gonna put this under my mom's eyes, like. Ini namanya step baking. So guys, my mom can do her own eyebrow, so I'm gonna let her do her own eyebrow. It's like I cannot do people eyebrow. It's kind of difficult. And a little bit on the nose here. Right there.
Mana tutupnya ini?
So my mom's gonna do her own eyebrows.
Mana tadi tutupnya itu?
I don't know. Ini bukan sih? Ini. There you go. Step. I just taught my mom how to do makeup. Yes. Brown chocolate. My eyebrow is black. Mine are black, like my color. Look at that, guys. My mom do her own eyebrows, just like her son. She can do her own eyebrows. That's good. That's cool. Totally cool. Like OMG. By the way, this is my first video with my mom. I think like really excited. Cause like, oh my god,
Yeah,
look at my mom, we're so beautiful. Then
Udah.
the next step is oh my god, aku lupa sesuatu. Oh no. The next step is we have to put some of your, aku lupa ternyata. Wait a moment, mom, sebentar. We're gonna put this thing on. Gunting bulu mata.
Masa langsung itu?
Yeah, of course. Aku ngeri, mama bisa sendiri?
Oh.
Aku takut soalnya. Aku bilang adalah dia harusnya ini dulu. Oh, so beautiful. So this is mine for your information. I don't know why my mom wants to make video in here when actually it's better there because the lighting is more better than here. But I don't know why. So beautiful, bagus banget. Lucu banget, bagus banget, sumpah.
Masa?
Ya, Stiban pakai ini.
Dulu.
Biasanya kayak gini ya, extension, just like extension, guys. So little hint for using mascara, you guys should put some like Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl, #1 mascara in Indonesia, and then put some this thing, Last Year Push Up Drama, the best mascara ever, for sure it is. Jadi guys, buat kalian di rumah maskaranya habis, bisa dicoba cara mama gue. Direndam maskaranya pakai air panas.
Tapi harus dibuka dulu ininya. Nggak langsung habis, kan masih banyak di dalam.
Okay, so sekarang kita hapus bakingannya. We're gonna take off all the baking. Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe out all of the baking. So beautiful as F, mom. Ooh. So now we're about to put some contour yang aku bilang dari kemarin. Contour mama nggak beli. He knows this. Biasanya langsung pakai blush on. Mama pakai ini atau pemerah pipi mama?
Makeup pink juga.
Okay, here we go, you guys. Gonna put some blush on to my mom. Shake.
Di atas mata ya.
Ooh, look at that, mom. You look awesome. Kadang-kadang ngerasa gak sih ngaca di sini jelek, ngaca di sini cantik, beda-beda gitu mukanya. Ngerti gak sih? Nah, cantik banget. So beautiful. Beauty. This is the Asia. I comb my mom. Okay, alright.
Alright, tapi belum ada ini.
Eyeshadow?
Iya.
Yakin lo pakai eyeshadow? Kan cuman kayak. So I gave my mom these eyeshadows, cause I think I'm not gonna use it. I don't know why. Excuse me, mom. We're gonna go with this one, guys. That's right.
Pokoknya yang natural ya.
It is natural. I'm gonna use my hand. So, sekarang kita menuju ke akhir dari akhir dari tutorial, and it's highlighter, Wet n Wild. This is mine. I already gave my mom highlighter, but I don't know why she didn't like it. Glowing as fuck. Ooh. Yes, girl. You look bomb. Mom. Okay, finishing touch in a little prettiness because you just have to put some light in your inner corner. Mama, sorry. Here. Okay, it's finished. Look at that.
Ini finish belum.
Oh yeah, not yet. One more thing. Oh girl, how can I forget lipstick on? That's the way my mom used lipstick, guys. This is already finished. And she used a brush to take it off. I think that's cute, you guys. Can you see? Let me show you guys. That's what I'm saying. This place have a better place. Like, I don't know why my mom picked in here. Like, girl, this is so fucking little place. But that one have a better lighting. Have a better place. That's what I'm saying. But I don't know why she chose to be here. But who cares? Look at that. Look at that, mom. Ooh, fierce as fuck. That's what I'm talking about. I wanna see your face karena lightingnya tuh dari sini. Bagus banget gak sih? Oh my god. Sekarang tinggal pakai bajunya aja.
Jangan dipoto dulu baju.
Of course not. Ini cuma kayak BTS. So beautiful. Let's just put your clothes on, mom.
Coba.
So beautiful. Now it's my turn. It's my turn, you guys. So you're gonna see me get ready and put some makeup on because we're going out tonight. So stay tuned. Like I said, you guys, now it's my turn to get ready. So yeah, this is my bedroom. Now I'm about to tie my hair up. Because karena sedikit ribet ya guys kalau make up, terus rambut kemana-mana tuh kayak mengganggu. I think it's disturbing, so oh my god, I choose to tie my hair up so there's nothing in my face. So yeah, let's just get it on, just like my mom. Oh no, I'm a little bit different from my mom, but just a little bit, just these things. I'm gonna put some of I suggest you to use this thing. Yeah? Because like it's really worth it to try. Worth it to try. There you go. Oh guys, look at me. Now I'm finished my makeup. So I'm just gonna put on my clothes. Still confused what I have to wear. But you guys gonna say it later. So stay tuned. So we are now ready. Look at my mom. I'm sorry to say it. Just wanna show your dress. Come here, mom. If you're done, come here.
Duduk di sini masuk latar belakang.
Ooh, look at that. Look at us. Look at us. Yes, girl. So, ooh, you look so pretty. Now we're ready to go to gang out. I'm sorry guys, I used this so it sounds not really good, but I think that's gonna be the end of this video, and I'm gonna use the title as get ready with my mom and I. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share, and don't forget to wait for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.